In 1966, J.R.R. Tolkien agreed to have his first ever interview with a newspaper journalist. There was a Tolkien scandal in the news due to a pirated edition of Lord of the Rings circulating in America. But in the interview, Tolkien didn't want to talk about that and instead wanted to speak about growing up in a village called Sarehole. He described it as a lost paradise. There was an old mill that was still operational, a pond with swans in it, and this was where he begun to learn Latin and read books about dragons. Tolkien and the journalist, who was called John Ezard, became friends, and Tolkien urged John to visit Sarehole and write about how this idyll was being swallowed up by modernization. The year after this interview, Tolkien published his final story, which was called Smith of Wootton Major. And that story begins with the lines, "There was a village once, not very long ago for those with long memories, nor very far away for those with long legs." It was a love letter to that lost paradise that Tolkien grew up in. And so that year, Tolkien sent the journalist both a carbon copy of the story and this copy of the first edition, inside which we can see the inscription, John Ezard from J.R.R. Tolkien.